Koreans are always looking for good food. They are very careful in choosing food ingredients, fresh and nutritious. We contemplate how this food will benefit our body. Koreans eat a lot of vegetables. Before cooking of vegetables, trimming, washing, and even blanching, which may seem like a complicated process. But do not think it's difficult. We are willing to set up a nutritious dining table. Hello! Welcome to Seth's Korean Kitchen. How are you today? Are you boring because of first quarantine at home? But it's time to cook. And we need healthy food. Now, I prepare green vegetable. One of my close friends told me why Korean always eat spicy food. Today, you will know all Korean food are not spicy. One of my good friends called me a while ago and she said, "Do you need the green vegetables?" And she ordered and delivered too much. So she wear the mask and we met outside of the gate. She gave me. Then I was surprised. It's a bok choy, Chinese cabbage. I never seen this kind of big size Chinese cabbage ever. She just gave me 3, but it's a lot. So I'll make green vegetables, Korean 나물, 청경채나물, without chili paste, without chili powder. Shall we begin? Go go! I have to fix the vegetables first. There's a lot of soil inside, so we have to clean it. And like this. Some dirty, we will throw away. Okay. Wash it. The soil's there. Dirty. It's too big, so the leaves I cut, and also this cut. The leaves. It's very big. We have to boil the water for a blanch of Chinese cabbage. The water is boiling. Then we put some salt to make green vegetables more green color. Blanch of vegetables. Just very simple. Around 2 minutes. It's not boiling, just blanch it for a while. When you blanch the vegetable, don't forget to open the cover. If you put cover, the vegetable color will be very ugly, not green anymore. Have to wash with the cold water. After blend, the bok choy, Chinese cabbage. But here in Manila, we normally call it Taiwan pechay. Squeeze. 3 spring onion. We're going to chop garlic, now we have to put some seasoning in 청경채나물. Now I will put the one I chopped spring onion, and chopped garlic, some salt, this is perla oil, but you can put sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of perla oil, this is sesame seed. I'm going to grind it. Then we'll grind it. Oops. Then we're going to mix it. Just softly and gently. Now I taste it. The taste is really good. This bok choy, Chinese cabbage, Taiwan pechay, 청경채나물. It is beneficial to the human body and has 10 kinds of minerals. Strengthens the immune system, prevention of cancer and high blood pressure. Aside from that, good for constipation because it is rich in fiber. Why not eat this helpful vegetable, namul?